Morning student, I am starting first chapter of class 8th science, crop production and management. In this chapter we learn about crop and crop seasons, basic agricultural practices and food from animals. We know that farmer grow crop in field. They grow different crops in different seasons and soils. They irrigate the fields, add fertilizers and manure to ensure good produce. Our country is agriculture based country, so we have to know what is agriculture and what is crop. The word agriculture is derived from a Latin word ager, which means field, and cultura means to cultivate. When plants of same kind are grown at a place in a regular manner on a large scale is called a crop. Means that when same kind of plants are grown at a place on large scale is called a crop. Here I am showing various crops and their produce. Cereals crop rice, pulses grain, fiber crop cotton, oilseed crop mustard oil, tuber crop potato, and beverages crop tea. We can classify the crop on the basis of seasons in which they grow. We can categorize crops into two on the basis of season in which they grow. First is Rabi crops. Second is Kharif crops. Rabi crops. The crops which is shown in the month of October to November and harvested in the month of March to April are called Rabi crops. These crops also called winter crops. They do not depend on monsoon rain. Means that water requirement of these crops is less. Examples are grain. Kharif crops, the crops which is shown in the month of June to July and harvested in the month of September-October are called Kharif crops. These crops are totally depends on monsoon rain. Means they require more amount of water for irrigation. Examples of Kharif crops is cotton. In this chapter, we learn about some basic agricultural practices. The activities undertaken by farmers for cultivation of crops are called agricultural practices. These are soil preparation, sowing, manure, fertilizers, irrigation, weeding and harvesting. Soil preparation means it is the first step before growing a crop. It is to turn the soil and loosen it. I will explain each in the next video. Thank you.